Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to change your Apple ID without losing data. So let's dive in. The first thing I want to do is go ahead to your settings, click on your profile settings, then click on iCloud. Then you want to go ahead and click on iCloud backup and make sure that your backup is on so that your data is backed up in the iCloud. Next, what you want to do is go ahead to your Chrome browser or your Safari browser, type in appleid.apple.com, and it will bring you to the main website. Make sure you sign in, and once you sign in, it will bring you to this main website. So the next thing you want to do now is click on Apple ID, and you can see here, change your Apple ID. Now what you want to do is enter an email address that you want to use. Make sure it has not been used in Apple before. And once you type in and confirm, it will be your new Apple ID. So it's that easy, guys. All you have to do is go to Apple ID and type in the email address that you want to use as your Apple ID. And that is how you do it, guys. Hopefully you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next video.